This is the AI News Flash for July 11th, 9 p.m. UTC. First up, researchers from Peking University, Tsinghua University, Shanghai Jiaotong University, and Model Best, the company behind the mini CPM models, have unveiled UltraX, a framework that refines large language model pre-training data through large-scale programmatic editing. The paper was posted on Arxiv on July 9th. While conventional data refinement mostly deletes low-quality documents, UltraX uses function calling to define 5 editing operations, including removing lines, replacing strings, and, notably, inserting new content enabling fine-grained instance-level edits to individual documents. In experiments training a roughly 1 billion parameter mini CPM model on 20 billion tokens, UltraX lifted average scores by about 2% over raw data across 5 corpora, including FineWeb and Red Pajama v2, and 10 benchmarks, winning 34 of 50 task corpus pairs against existing methods. The refined data also reached the baseline's final performance with just 16 billion tokens instead of 20 billion. With the supply of quality web data running thin, the work points to squeezing more out of data quality rather than quantity. Next, shareholders of Veritone, the U.S. company behind the aiWARE artificial intelligence platform, approved all 6 proposals at a virtual annual meeting on July 11th, including raising authorized common shares from 150 million to 225 million. Investors also backed adding 3 million reserve shares to the company's 2023 equity incentive plan, granting CEO Ryan Steelberg time-based and performance-based restricted stock units and appointing CBIZ as the independent auditor. The company faces stub debt obligations coming due in November. Steelberg said Veritone remains in communication with bondholders and expects to service or restructure the debt, calling deleveraging a major priority. Veritone had about 93 million shares outstanding as of the May 19th record date, so the expanded authorization is seen as securing room for future financing, putting the financial turnaround of the mid-sized AI firm, which sells transcription, translation, and facial recognition AI to media and government clients, in focus. That's all for this AI News Flash.